touch the fire, huh? It's a real one. Wow. Is it your birthday, anak? Is it Liam's birthday? Oh, they have a little seating area outside, love. Aww. Aww. Okay, it's freezing. I'm gonna go back inside.
This one. Because it says
Ganyan kasi ilang mirror. It's really cute. Okay, let's go eat some cake. Aw, Lovey. Thank you kay sa birthday cake, Lovey, ha. Effort good pero nabungi sa atong kiat-kiat tonight. But it's really my favorite.